This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 391DL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 43 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, leveling jacks, awning, skylight, air conditioning, smoke detector, stove top burner, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, TV, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 391DL is 15,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.